thank you all for joining me today. My name is Fartun, and I'm a senior here at the University of Denver. So today I'm going to be walking through with you all the application process for completing the Pioneer app for first-year students. So to start off, I'm going to share my screen with you all. So me type in the Pioneer application, DU, and you click on the first page. It brings you to this page here. You scroll down and click on Pioneer app. So once you get to this page, it asks you for your information. You type all that in. Then your citizenship status, permanent address, parent and guardian information, and this question here is asking you about legacy information. So what that is if you have a family member or a family member who've attended or currently attends DU, you put that information here. And then if you have completed the FAFSA or the CSS profile, you put that information there. We do require both for DU. Save and continue. And then college plans. So we are interested in knowing what you plan on studying. If you don't know what you want to study, that's totally fine. We have the option for undeclared. And then here it has the decision plans that you're applying to. So the early action, this is non-binding. The deadline is November 1st. This is when you apply early and you hear from us early. The early decision 1 and 2 are binding. This means if you do get in, you are committing to DU, and there's different deadlines for both. And then we have the regular decision where you can apply and you just hear back from us. The next one is your high school information. And then this question asks you about your guidance counselor information as well. And here it asks you about your test scores. DU is a test optional school, so this means you can put in your test scores if you do want, but it's not required. That goes for the ACT and the SAT. Then here, this question is about college courses you've taken while you were in high school. If you have taken college courses, you have the option to put each one, as many as you want. And then activities and work experience. So we want to get to know some leadership positions you've held throughout your high school years, and if you did work as well. And honors and awards you've been awarded. And then this question here asks you about activities that may interest you once you come to DU. And then the personal essay. So the personal essay is a great way for the counselors to get to know you outside of academics. You can write about any topic of your choice, and it's a really nice way just to write about yourself or anything beyond academics. There's another essay portion that is optional, and this asks you about if you've been impacted by the COVID. If you have the option to explain. And save and continue. So there's 2 more questions asking about any disciplinary violations. And then to make it official, there is an application fee. We do have students who do have a fee waiver can request one. You just have to put that information in. And after you're done, you submit your application and make it official. So once you submit your application, you can go back to this page here where we started. It has a checklist, application checklist of things just to like remind you of things you should have done. So you filled out your application, you chose a deadline, and also this is where you submit the application fee as well. And that brings us to an end to our presentation. Thank you all for joining me today.